Hello students, in the previous part of this chapter you have read about the three methods of separating components. In this chapter we will study about other methods to separate these components. Alright, so our first is sieving. What is sieving? Sieving is a process of separating different sized material. Alright, you have often seen your mother of straining flour and tea granules from tea. At the construction sites, masons also use these sieves to separate sand and pebbles. What is sieve? Sieve are the net-like structure. Alright, so these nets separate different sized material. Okay, next is sedimentation. Decantation and filtration. So what are these? First of all, sedimentation. What is sedimentation? Sedimentation is the process of settling down impurities at the bottom. That means if you left your mixture for some time, all the impurities settle down at the bottom. Now decantation. Decantation is the removal of liquid layer from the mixture. Next is filtration. Filtration is to separate solid and liquid by a material called filter. This material of the filter separate liquid and allows liquid to fall into the beaker and solid to not flow through it. Alright, next is evaporation. Now what is evaporation? Evaporation is the process of converting water into water vapors. Alright, so in evaporation water is converted into water vapor, that is steam. Salt from the sea water is separated by evaporation. This evaporation is in use only if the solid is dissolved in water. Alright, if the liquid has dissolved solid in it, then only evaporation can be used. Now we know all about the separation methods. What is the need of separation? There is a need of separation. What is the need? So first need is we can separate two useful methods, two useful materials like ghee from milk. Ghee is very useful and milk is also useful. So we can separate two different material by the separation. Next is we can separate harmful substances from the mixture. So what are harmful substances? Stone and husk are the harmful substances. So these can be separated by the mixture. Third, the unuseful material can also be separated. What is the unuseful material? That is tea granules. Tea granules from tea are the unuseful substance from the tea. Now we can have three types of mixture. What are these? Solid, liquid, and liquid. If the solid is mixed or dissolved in liquid, if the solid is dissolved in liquid, that is known as solution. Alright, that is known as solution. Solution can be of two types, that is saturated and unsaturated. So what are saturated? Saturated solutions are in which no more material can be added. That means if you are adding sugar in water, alright, and you keep on adding sugar in water, but at a point a time will come when no more sugar will get dissolved in the water. That situation is known as saturated solution. And what are unsaturated solution? Unsaturated solutions are in which the more solid can be added. All right. If you know about the solution, we have two components, that is solvent and solute. What is solute now? Solute is the solid part that can be dissolved in water, and solvent is the water, or we can say liquid. That liquid part of the material of the mixture is known as solvent, and the solid part which is dissolved in liquid is known as solute. So this is it about the separation of component.